Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. Today I'm going to show you 5, maybe a few more of my favorite utility type upgrades. Now, if they were to break today, I would replace these tomorrow. I've done in-depth articles on all of these. I'll leave links to those articles below, and if there's a video attached, I'll leave a link up in the corner also. I'll also leave links to where you can find these items. Some of them were a little hard to find, but let's get started. Okay, the first upgrade is a Level Mate Pro. That's this little box you're looking at. That attaches to your RV wall, and then it transmits via Bluetooth to your phone exactly how your rig needs to be leveled, whether it needs to go up in the front, down in the back, if the left side needs to be lifted. It's very, very accurate, up to 1/4 of an inch. Once you have one, you will never realize how you did without it. It makes leveling your rig super easy, and it's good for motorhomes or travel trailers. The next upgrade is a refrigerator thermometer. Actually, this is going to be 2. This is a refrigerator thermometer. It's wireless. There's sensors in both the freezer and in the refrigerator, and just by looking at it over your refrigerator, you can tell if the temperature is high or low in your refrigerator. What's also nice about this model is it lets you set alarms. So you could set it, like if your refrigerator gets over 45, it'll sound an alarm for you. And I'll just show you the sensor. This is one of the sensors here, and it just operates by batteries, and they last quite a long time. They'll last you the whole season, your batteries. And while I'm at the refrigerator, the next upgrade is refrigerator fans. And that's a dual fan on the fins. And I also have a refrigerator fan down here, and that circulates the air in here. And wow, what a difference keeping this cool. The next upgrade's in the bathroom, and it is a Blue Streak chemical dispenser, and that's this box back here. You buy the kit, and it's really not that expensive, and you put some of their chemical in it, and this is a non-formaldehyde based chemical, and it has like a powder scent to it, and every time you flush the toilet, a little more chemical goes in the water, and the water is blue. I'll show you here. You can see the water's blue, and each time you flush, a little more chemical goes down in the black tank to help break down the waste and solids. I've been using this 25 years. I love this thing. I would never have a rig without it. Another great upgrade is this ALI battery monitor. And this is under $50 and certainly comparable with ones that are much more expensive. It's a very easy install, and it allows you to monitor the health of your batteries, and it'll give you percentage of your battery. It'll tell you the amps being drawn, or if you're charging, the amps going into your battery. It'll even give you the volts if you'd like. This is a worthwhile. There's nothing more important than monitoring your battery's health when you're out there. And the last upgrade I'm going to show you today is this shower organizer, and it's invaluable. You can put your conditioner, your shampoo, your shower gel in there. You can hang washcloths. It gets rid of all those bottles and soap bars and everything that always end up falling when you travel. Super convenient. I love this thing. I've had it for 4 years. It goes up with double-sided stick tape, or you can screw it in if it's not strong enough. But this has been up for 4 years, and I absolutely love this thing. This is one of the first things I put in my RV. And while I'm actually here, an oxygenic shower head. I think this is one of the first upgrades most RVers do, because the shower heads that come with RVs are so pitiful. This is really great, simple upgrade, just screws on. Now I'm going to leave links to all the videos I did on these upgrades below. I'll also leave links to where you could get them. I hope this helped out a little bit. Remember, if you see me out on the road, stop by and say hello, and I'll see you soon.